Hi, this is Ans. You're watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we have a third type of adverbs of manner, and also have a fourth type of adverb. So, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree are the third and fourth types, or the kinds of adverbs. In the last video, we discussed about adverbs of place, adverbs of time. So, adverbs of manner, they tell us of the way or a manner in which an action is done, the way or a manner with how the action is being done. For example, Rizwan reads clearly. So they are saying that he reads clearly, the action, the manner is great. The child slept soundly. So here also you can say the soundly. So adverbs or manner tells us the way or manner. So the manner here for the child is soundly. He slept soundly. The soldiers fought bravely. So bravely is also your adverbs of manner. And badly. The boy has been treated badly. How he is treated? Manner is badly. The way is badly. So these are the adverbs of manner. Here is a list of adverbs of manner: clearly, closely, correctively, bravely, badly, sadly, softly, steadily, slowly, soundly, simply, suddenly, carefully, easily, possibly, luckily, fortunately, unfortunately, naturally, wrongly, well, etc. So here in the list we just learned one thing for sure, that we are using double ly, ly. Okay. Next we have adverbs of degree. They tell us how much, to what extent, or in what degree an action is done. For example, he is fully prepared. He is good enough for his duties. The fruit is almost ripe. Degree tells us the degree. Quite. So if this is fully, it means this is a degree. For example, this is your jug and this is filled. This is the degree of the water. And if this is filled with a, this is the degree of the water. How much the degree of something is here in this adverbs of degree. He was too careless to be mentioned. 2. He runs very fast. Very. So in the list we can learn about almost, quite, very, much, fully, partly, wholly, completely, totally, strongly, entirely, greatly, poorly, half, enough, somewhat, altogether, too, little, a little, rather, etc. exist in these adverbs of degree. So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.